Okay, this is what I do to tape it. Every place where it was solid, where I have it all filled in, I have taken and I've taped it, and that's going to help you when you start getting over here and cutting these ends off. It'll keep it stable. You can almost lift up part of it, and that's what we do. And once you get this all filled in the rest of the way down in here, you'll want to tape that too, because that's going to help you when you get ready to lay it on whatever you're using for a backing piece. I think on this one I'm going to use an opaque yellow, so it'll bring that yellow through. I went through after I stopped the tape and I marked, and I don't know if you can see down through here, there's I took and I measured out and I marked with a black Sharpie where my line is to make it 12 inches. I'm going to put the ruler down there. And then I came over here on the other side and I did the same thing. In fact, I think you can see the marks a little bit better, but there's 12 inches there. So I marked all that, and then I got this wild, crazy idea that I came out here, and I don't think you probably can see that I've written something, but out here from the mark out to the end, I marked what that measurement is. And then over here on this side, I measured from the end here out over here to my mark that made my edge, how much it was going to take to fill this in here. So this is going to take a 3 7/8 inch strip to fill out to the mark. This piece is why didn't I mark? Oh, because that piece stays there. But like this piece up here, that's 5/8 of an inch I'm going to cut off. So if I needed something over here on this side, 5/8 of an inch, I would bring this piece over and put it over here. But I did the same thing over here on this side, and what I'll do now before I start making any cuts is I'll go through the whole sheet and I'll see if I can't match them up, and I may do some kind of a numbering system so I know where they go. But again, you know, I've always said whatever class you take, you tweak it to make it your own, and that is part of what we were not taught, that I just came up with on my own, and I wanted to share that with you. So I'm going to go through and I'll match and tweak up and whatever, and then show you what I have when I get it all put together. I don't know if I'll do that tonight or not, but I do want to bring in one more piece of paper that I've drawn just to show you. This is a bunch of circles, and this is what we started with in the class. We were going to do a circle, and I think that this outer circle she drew around a 16-inch mold. I believe this might be, the second one might be 9 inches, I think. I can measure this and see. Oh, that's a 10-inch circle. The other one is, yeah, it's more like a 16. And then I drew this one in the middle, and the one in the middle is about an 8-inch circle. So, but it doesn't matter. If you're going to do an 8-inch circle, just draw a circle on there. You keep building out. Although I think that the circles do come out more true to size. But like I said on this other one that I just did, I just started and drew that, and I'm not sure what size it was. Here's another drawing of that, and this is like, I think the outside edges, there's 2 boxes drawn on here, you can't see the one, and it was like 9-inch. And then I couldn't, you know, that's when we were trying to figure out what we were doing, and we couldn't make like 12-inch squares we were supposed to be able to do, so I drew it smaller, and that's an 8-inch, and it still seems to work better. So again, when you do this, it's anything that's got, say, parallel type lines. S's, I've done a diamond. just make sure that you have this horizontal line in the middle for starting. I'm going to take these off for you and send them to you, and I want you to watch them and then let me know what questions you have, okay?